Welcome to AliExpress Insider. Check the description box below for the product link and more details. HiBREW Portable Coffee Machine for car and home. A compact and versatile espresso maker compatible with multiple coffee capsules and ground coffee. Perfect for home, travel, and on-the-go brewing. Works with 12 volts DC for car use and 220 volts for home. Compatible with Nespresso Dolce Gusto and coffee powder. Fast heating system for quick espresso anywhere. Compact and lightweight for travel convenience. Easy operation with one-button control.